Hi everyone, I have Happy Mail. This is my pocket letter. It's coming from Vivian Holloway, and we were in a swap through Polly's Pretties on Facebook. So she already got mine and posted pictures in the Facebook group, or Polly's Facebook page, I think. But this is mine, and look, it's got these, they're like holographic. I forget what these are called with the long horn. They're not sharks and they're not whales. There's a special name for them. Help me out, guys, because I forget. I even have paper somewhere with them in it, I think. But anyway, they're sort of holographic. I don't know if you can tell. They're the pink one, how it... Yeah, they're all like that. It's gorgeous. I'm trying not to destroy the paper in case I want to reuse one or two of them at some point. So let me pause and open this and I'll be right back. Okay, so our theme was 80s by the pool. Look how adorable this pocket letter is. Oh my goodness. Where did you find all these things? These punch outs and cutouts and stuff. Anyway, this one has a picture of a hotel, like you're going on vacation, right? Which I would have to do to sit at a pool or go to a club somewhere. This says relax, and we've got the coconut with the drink in it and the hat on a like a cardboard paper button kind of thing. And here we have a floaty flamingo and some sunglasses. We were on the same page with that. They're also on like it's like a piece of cardboard with paper or something on it. That's a good idea to bump them up instead of always... I always use, well, maybe it has foam tape under it. It does have foam tape. Sorry. And my mind is just not with it. Passionate about life. Yay. Here's a surfboard and a beach ball. And I don't know what is, oh, it's a life preserver thing. Life and free and swim, a suntan lotion, which I definitely need for sure. I have not worn a bikini since, I don't know, my early 20s, I guess. Hello Summer, another bikini. It's like another picture with the sunscreen and a shell and stuff. And yeah, this is more my style now, unfortunately. Maybe if I get back into shape, haha. Pretty sunglasses here reflecting a sunrise or sunset in them. They're really cool. I like that. And then this says vacation. Oh, with two double scoop ice cream cones with, it looks like cinnamon sticks sticking in them. And here we have a beach ball and some flip-flops. And again, up on dimensionals on a rectangle. Really cute pocket letter. And I like your background paper that you used as well. It's colorful with all the different, almost looks like waves too, and I see like mermaid tails and stuff, so it looks like it had mermaids on it. Awesome. So then we got goodies in the back. This one might be a note or something. Let me see. Oops. Looks like extras of the paper. So that's cool. Did I push that out wrong? Yeah, so a couple pieces of the mermaid tail paper. That's really pretty. I don't have that, so that I can use for sure. Now this is a good idea. I never thought to do this, is to give the foam pop-up tape, or not tape really, double-sided, what do you call this? Oops. I don't want to, her name and address is there, so I'm going to leave that one in. It has her name and address, and then the month. I should have done that too. I didn't even think of that. So anyway, but my paper on the back had stuff on it. So this pop-up rectangles. So yeah, they're a good idea to swap for swap, and I didn't even think of that. Now I did. Thank you, thank you. And then we have a note. Oh, she had a good week. Yay. Well, you sent the heat this way, I think. We're now at 93 today and heading on up to 99 soon. I love it. I love it, Vivian. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know, I used to do that. I used to put notes in, and I completely forgot. I'll put them back later. And then here is some bling. It looks like clear flat back. Oh, and there's teardrops. They're faceted flat backs. I have the rounds. I don't have any teardrop shape though. There's a couple of them in an oval. Mine are all just rounds. So thank you, thank you. And then these look like cutout sayings and stuff. Let's see what they say. We have one that says delight. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff. All kinds of words in here. Oops. Enjoy. I certainly will. Fun. Sand. Delight. Seashells. Ocean. Paradise. Shine. These are the days. Swim. Seaside. Water. Beach. Island. And sunshine. Making me want to go to an island. Last one I was at was in 2001, and it was, in fact, well, I won't say that's the only time. That's not true. The last time I was out an island for vacation was 2001, and the rest was work stuff. And it was beautiful. It was St. Thomas and St. John, but we stayed at St. Thomas in a villa for a week. It was wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. These look like some, oh, look at these itty bitty, they're flat back flowers. Those are so cute. And there's itty bitty ones in all different colors, and then up to this kind of size. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not going to take them out because I will lose them. There, that kind of size. And see how itty bitty that was? Cute. They're pretty colors. Turquoise, pink, green, red. Yeah, really purple. I see a purple in there. Awesome. Thank you, thank you. Don't have those. And I love flowers, even though I can't grow them. I love looking at them. Okay, and then these look like some of the die cuts or ephemera pack pieces. So we have the maracas. That's pretty cool. Are these stickers? No. Yes, these are stickers. Oh my gosh. Well, some of them are. This one is. I don't know if this one is. It probably is because it has the same feel. Hello, summer. That's a cool sticker. Love. Like a tropical plant. Watermelon. Ice cream. Camera. Sunshine. Love bikini. You know, my bikini, it didn't have a heart like that, but my bikini top had a heart carved out on the left hand side actually. And like it, the ducky with the sunglasses. Forgive my air conditioner. I'm going to put them back later. So let me get these two out, and then I'll put everything. Oops, you see I lost something. And I got washi also, and I don't think I have these washi, so yay. Let me put that back in real quick. Can't be losing the main part of the project here. Okay, pretty washi. Ooh, that one's really pretty. And this too. I like that deep pink. And then there's the flamingos. Really pretty. Thank you, thank you. You're trying to escape too. How dare you? You cannot do that. You cannot escape from me. No, because I need to use you later. Well, not that part, but. And then this is, I think stickers. Like round stickers. Let me see. Oh, how do you get them in that little bag? This one had, yeah, they're round stickers. They're cute. They're sort of holographic also. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell that, but not on the outside, but the background in here is sort of holographic. So like tropical flowers. The bikini that she used on the, I think one of these. Oh, these are cool. I didn't realize they had like a holographicness to them. So the hat, I mean the sunglasses and the flip-flop sticking in the sand there. flamingo and tropical plants. Some kind of slushy and tropical drink. The anchor with goggles. These are cool. Where'd you find stickers like this? Anyway, lighthouse with clouds and raindrops. Hello summer with a watermelon with a bite taken out. I have to get some watermelon soon before summer's over. Beach chair, an umbrella, and sand bucket with some starfish and tropical and pineapple. Yum yum. Love pineapple. Yeah. Ugh. Guitar and or ukulele maybe, and a camera. Oh, those ice creams. Yum yum. I love ice cream. Most flavors. Not all, but most. And this is the coconut tropical drink with a hat and the surfboard. Yay! Thank you so much. That's a lot. You gave me a lot of stickers there. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to put them back in this little bag. I'll do that afterwards. So that is my pocket letter for By the Pool from Vivian. And thank you very much, Vivian. If you do see this, I'll actually link this video to Polly's. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just link my video to Polly's Facebook page so that you know I put it up. Alright everyone, thank you so much. This was a fun swap. I enjoyed making mine for Vivian, and I really enjoyed what she sent me. It's a cute pocket letter. Let me move these out of the way and flip it over again. It's adorable. Adorable. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.